Hello and welcome to new video on Technary.com. So today we are going to review the Phantom 250 earbuds from Wings Lifestyle. So these are the gaming TWS earbuds with 40 ms low latency and they provide 30 hours of playtime. So these are Bluetooth gaming headsets. So these are available in black and blue color variants and we are going to review the blue color variant. So this device is using Bluetooth 5.2. It is having 13mm drivers. It provides 30 hours of playtime. It is also having DNS mic noise cancellation. It's having less than 40 ms latency. It is IPX5 sweat and water resistant. So we have unboxed the device. You can see it's a very beautiful charging case. So these are made for gaming, although you can use it for hearing music and for calling as well. So these really look fantastic. They are having very nice aesthetic design. The look is very amazing. So it gives 1 year of manufacturer warranty as well. So total battery life is 30 hours and charging time is just 1.5 hours. So you can see these earbuds. These are very easy and comfortable to wear as well. So you can enjoy gaming for long hours. One aspect which I liked about these earbuds is that it is having 8 hours of playtime. So once the earbuds are charged, it will provide you 8 hours of playtime, which is just amazing. So you can enjoy amazing music, endless amount of gaming playtime. So that's really amazing. So it's very easy to open and close the case. It really looks amazing and fantastic as well. So it's easy to use. You can carry it inside your pocket. So let's check out the other accessories. So with this earbuds, you also get a very nice cable so you can charge it. You also get extra ear tips. So also there's a warranty card for 1 year and you also get a manual. So in this manual, you will get to know how to use these earbuds, how you can charge it, how you can use it with ease. You will also get to know how to pair these earbuds. It's very easy. So total earbud charging time is 1 hour and case charging time is 1.5 hours and you get talk time of about 25 hours. That is just amazing. So you can also use it for calling as well. So there are multiple usages. So we have extensively used these earbuds. These are good for listening to music as well. And in gaming nowadays, you can play with the team members. So you need to consistently communicate with them. So in that way, these earbuds will come into handy. And it comes with USB Type-C connectivity. So you can easily fast charge them. And it's very simple and easy to use. The best is the price factor. If you look at the MRP, it is available for 2,999. Although if you are looking for a discounted price, then you will get it at just rupees 999 if you check out the link in the description below to purchase it. So these are very affordable gaming earbuds in the budget of just around 1000 rupees. So if you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Kindly like this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead.